At first glance, this intersection doesn't seem that unusual, but look a little closer. The stop lines don't line up, and drivers from opposite directions can often turn at the same time. So why was it designed this way? Intersection. Dissection. Episode 1, Sprott St Norland Ave West, Burnaby, Canada. So here's what we're looking at. At first, it doesn't seem that unusual, but there are a couple things that stand out. The first thing I notice is the staggered stop lines. There's also no crosswalk here. So why is it designed this way? This road is an off-ramp from Highway 1, so it works like a one-way street. On a normal two-way road, cars turning left stay on the right half of the road, but here they turn from the left half instead. That gives them more room to make the turn, especially large vehicles like semi-trucks. So why isn't there a crosswalk here? The main reason is the staggered stop lines. A regular crosswalk won't line up properly, and we definitely don't want a crosswalk that zigzags through the intersection. That would be confusing and unsafe. There's another reason too. This is a freeway off-ramp, so people aren't usually expected to walk here. That's why there's no sidewalk connecting to this side of the road. So, what should we pay the most attention to at this part of the intersection? What do we need to watch for? Let me get to the point. Can we stop stopping halfway through our turns to stare at each other? Can we stop turning at exactly the same time? It's against my religion, and it makes it harder for people to change lanes after. It is so easy to control our speed and positioning to stagger these turns. This is safer, efficient, and keeps things moving. Left turns must yield if there's a potential conflict, sure. But stopping for a green light for no reason doesn't help anyone get to where they're going. Be careful around large trucks. But look how much space there is. Ample space for two regular cars to do a regular turn without bothering each other. Get eye contact, stagger these turns, and make it easy for other drivers to lane change. Amen.